What is happening? This is your girl Adriana coming to you from beautiful California. Hope you're having a great day so far. And I want to talk about how you can start making $300 per commission using my six-figure blueprint. I'm going to share with you some testimonials and just show you the three simple step system that we are using to generate these type of results. It's not just me creating results, but my team is also following my six-figure blueprint, and they're taking action on a daily basis, and they're simply creating results, right? And of course, the amount of success that you build, the amount of results that you build, it's solely up to you, the type of effort and work ethic that you have, and you're putting towards the business to create those results. So I'm going to go ahead and just scroll down here. These are just some of the commissions here. $300 commission came through, $300 commission. These are all $300 commissions that have came through using this simple step-by-step system. And of course, we have the entire step-by-step training course. That's exactly what the digital product is of IPS. You're going to get the access to my six-figure blueprint at the pro level, where I'm going to show you step-by-step exactly what my team and I have been doing, what strategies we are applying on a daily basis to create results. So just get this out of the way. I do want to show you some really awesome testimonials. Big shout out to James. I did cover his image for privacy purposes. He commented on my story. He said, my goal is to get 10,000 pros, which I think is amazing. He's an awesome entrepreneur, and I'm super proud of him. And this is what I put. Hey James, that's quite the goal, but with your determination, I have no doubt that you can achieve it. He said, LOL, thanks. Imagine making 3 million from a $300 product. Someone has to go for it. Have a great day. And, I said, absolutely. How much have you generated with IPS so far? And he mentioned 34,200. Isn't that insane? 34,000 generated with this opportunity. And it's a newbie friendly opportunity. I have another here testimonial, Sonica, big shout out to her. She did post in the group this testimonial, so that's why you can see that when you get added to our Facebook group. And I put, hey Sonica, how are you? I just saw your testimonial. Congrats on your 7K in IPS sales. Thank you. I haven't even really gotten full out promoting it, been so busy with other stuff. So she recently started promoting it, and she generated $7,000 inside of this opportunity. And so that's what I want to talk to you about. Now, what is the process of generating sales with IPS? It's a simple process. I have my website right here. Of course, at any time, you can go ahead and go to my website, go to infinityprocessingsystem.info, enter your email, check out the video, and then, it's going to make you land on this website. Watch the information. So this is how it works, right? Step number 1, get started, right? If you are an action taker, that's when you're going to be able to start creating results within your business. Get started is step number 1. Join one of the levels to get access to your products and your step-by-step digital training. Okay. Step number 2 is start posting the ads on social media. Really cool thing is that we already have the pre-written ads done for you. So what you're doing, you're copying and pasting these ads using different marketing strategies on different social media platforms. You choose where you want to start, posting these ads. And like you see right here, we show you exactly where and how to start posting ads on social media to drive tons of traffic to your offer. And step number 3, get paid, right? Start collecting those 100% daily commissions. And of course, again, the type of success, the amount of sales that you're able to generate comes down to your work ethic. What type of person are you? I can't guarantee you any results because I don't know what type of person you are. But if you're somebody like James, if you're somebody like Sonica that clearly take action on a daily basis, there are no limits when it comes to the type of success that you can build, right? And of course, like anything worth achieving, it does take time and dedication. So it does take commitment. If you're that person that is committed to your success, get started with the team today. I want to work with you. Again, you can get started at infinityprocessingsystem.info. If you have any direct questions, send me a message directly to my Facebook, and then I'll get you up and running. So this is how it works, right? You have the digital product already done for you, right? You have three different levels that you get to choose from. Right here, we have this digital product, which is a one-time payment of $50 plus a $25 admin fee. Or you have this other product, which is the Elite level. It's the $150 one-time payment and a $25 admin website fee. Okay, to get started with this. If you get started at the $50 level, you will only be able to receive $50 commissions. Okay, that's how that works. If you come in at the Elite level, the 150 level, you'll have the ability, right, to earn $150 per commission and $50 per commission. Now, the most popular one, as you can see right here, is the Pro level. Why? Because the Pro level consists of my 6-figure blueprint. This is exactly what you're going to get, my 7 daily action plan for success. You get to 200 per written ads. I show you how to post unlimited ads on high traffic websites for free, Facebook marketing mastery, Craigslist marketing, Instagram marketing, YouTube automation, TikTok marketing, automate your business with your 6-figure system. And the extra bonus, right, you get a vacation voucher, which is really, really cool. You can get a voucher from pretty much anywhere in the world, and we'll generate that vacation voucher for you just for trusting us and jumping in at the Pro level. So, and the really cool thing is that you will also be able to offer this bonus vacation voucher to your personal team to help you just get, just give you that bonus for your team as well. So let's go ahead and get right to it. So coming in at the 300 Pro level, that's a one-time payment plus the $25 admin fee one time. Coming in at this level, you'll have the ability to earn those $300 per commission, $150 per commission, and the $50 per commission. At this higher level, you don't miss out on any sales. Therefore, that's why a lot of people have jumped in at that level, as you can see right here. And this is how it works, right? You have the digital product, whether if it's the 50 or the 300 Pro level. This is the digital product. I'm going to put DP for digital product. And what we're doing here, right? We are driving traffic to this product for people that are already interested, which I show you how to do. We're using, right? We're using social media. We're using Facebook, Instagram. Let me make this a little bit, there you go. Instagram, TikTok. So people are using Snapchat, YouTube, Craigslist, offline strategies, right? We're posting the ads on these different platforms, right? The ads that are already pre-done for you. We're posting these ads, okay, on these different platforms. And if somebody comes and looks at the product and they're interested in learning how to do affiliate marketing, how to make an extra income from home or anywhere in the world, as long as they have Wi-Fi connection, once they come into this product, they purchase a level, you get paid 100% of the commission. If they join the Pro level, you earn $300 on that commission, right? It's simple as that. Step number 1, get started. Step number 2, start posting these ads on these different social media platforms. Step number 3, once they get started, you earn that 100% commission. That is the gist of it. There's no reason to complicate it. Take action today, and I will see you at the top. Ciao, ciao.